Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, open up content that you wish to capture, which for me will be this home screen, and once it's open and visible on your screen, press the power button and volume down at the same time, like so. Get the sound along with the pop-up with several options like edit, tag, share, and then use Google Lens or Gemini Lens or whatever it is. And you can also detect text right here if your screenshot has text, for instance, like anything right here, like a Microsoft Gaming Hub and so on. So these all could be detected. And once it is, you can copy it and then paste it wherever you want. Now, with that being said, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your gallery application. And under albums, you will find a new album called Screenshots. Here you can see the screenshot that I've just captured a moment ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.